Two congruent circles centered at points A and B each pass through the other circle's center. The line containing both A and B is extended to intersect the circles at points C and D. The circles intersect at 2 points, one of which is E. What is the degree measure of CED? Start by drawing a picture. There's one circle, its center is there, and the other circle is going to go through that, and it's going to be congruent. Not great there, but this is a circle. And we'll say that this circle's center is right here. They each pass through each other's center. And so then there's this line that contains both A and B. And so we'll call this A, that's B. And the line extends to, this is, we'll call D, and this we will call C. And then we're told that the circles intersect at 2 points, one of which is E. Here are the 2 points. We'll call this E. And so the angle we're trying to find is CED, which is this angle. So what we can do here is if we draw lines like this, make a triangle like that, make a triangle like this. So this is the center of the circle, and it's going to some outer point of this circle. We're talking about the circle centered at B. So therefore, this length has to be R. And now if we consider the circle with center A, this is going from the center of this circle to the outside. This is also R, that's a radius. And same deal here, center here, going to the outside, this is R. Since all of the sides have the same length, this is an equilateral triangle, and we know that equilateral triangles, all their angle measures are 60 degrees. And you could do that same reasoning for this triangle down here. So this triangle is also equilateral. So from here, we found one portion of the angle CED. What we can now do is we know that this triangle right here, EBD, this portion of it is 60 degrees. So this angle right here has to be 120. And then we know that this is a radius, segment BD, because it's going from the center to the outside. That's R. And we know that this side is a radius going from the center to the outside of the circle. That's R. So these two angles have to have the same measure. So it's going to be true that 120 plus, call the angle X, plus 2X has to equal 180. And if you solve that out, you'll find that this angle is 30 degrees, and this angle is also 30 degrees. And so same reasoning here. This angle right here is also 120 degrees, and because these two sides are radiuses and therefore the same length, these angles have to have the same measure. So this is also 30 degrees. So the measure then of CED is 30 plus 60 plus 30, which is 120 degrees. So the answer is choice C.